Dear listeners, let us look at our environment today. Climate change and our future. Understanding our changing planet. Welcome. We are here to discuss something very important. Our planet is currently undergoing rapid climate changes. We need to look at our future in the changing climate. Welcome to this short, informative documentary by Mr. Mutembei Kainga, courtesy of STREETWISE Encyclopedia Productions. The current climate changes on Earth are significant and demand our attention. This essay aims to explore the subject of climate change and our future. We will look closely at what this term truly means. We will also investigate the primary reasons behind it. Human activities have played a very large role in this, but importantly, we can also be central to the solution. Try to picture the Earth 100 years from now. Events like extreme weather could be much more frequent. This will undoubtedly impact how we live our daily lives. It will affect our homes, our communities, and our food sources. The familiar landscapes we know could transform significantly. We must therefore prepare ourselves for these potential shifts. However, it is important to remember that there is hope. Many innovative and effective ideas already exist today. People around the globe are working tirelessly to find answers. These collective efforts and solutions can make a real difference. Let us now begin this vital discussion with open minds and a commitment to change. Climate change might sound like a complex idea, but we can understand it in simple terms. Think about the weather where you live each day. Sometimes it is hot, sometimes it is cold, sometimes it rains, and sometimes it is dry. This daily variation is what we call weather. Climate, however, is something much broader and longer term. It is the average weather pattern over many years. So, what is climate change then? It means there is a big shift in these long-term patterns. The Earth's average temperature is going up slowly. This is often called global warming, a key part of climate change. It is not just about things getting a little warmer. It means the whole system is changing its usual behavior. Rainfall patterns are changing in many different places. Sea levels are also slowly beginning to rise. This is not a natural cycle happening on its own. The changes we see now are happening much faster. Now we know what climate change means for us. Let us explore the main reasons it is happening. The most significant cause is human activity. For over a century, our actions have changed the air. We have released large amounts of certain gases. These gases are called greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide. They trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, like a blanket. This trapped heat causes the planet to warm up slowly. Where do these greenhouse gases come from primarily? A major source is burning fossil fuels for energy. We burn coal, oil, and natural gas for many things. We use them to power our cars and our factories. We use them to generate electricity for our homes. This burning releases carbon dioxide into the air. This gas then stays in the atmosphere for a long time. It continuously contributes to the warming effect. Deforestation is another very important cause to consider. Forests are like the lungs of our planet Earth. Imagine our world 100 years from today, in 2125. Picture the advancements in technology, the changes in our cities, and the evolution of our daily lives. If climate change continues without strong action, life will be different. The environment will undergo drastic transformations. One of the biggest changes will be more extreme weather. Storms will become more frequent and intense. Heat waves could become much more common and much hotter. Cities will feel the brunt of these temperature spikes. This means longer periods of dangerous, scorching heat. The impact on the environment will be severe. This can be very hard for people's health, especially the vulnerable. Elderly and children will be at higher risk. It can also damage crops and strain water supplies. Farmers will struggle to maintain their livelihoods. Our cities will need to adapt to much higher temperatures. Innovative solutions will be necessary to keep urban areas livable. Storms like hurricanes and cyclones could also get stronger. Their destructive power will increase significantly. Warmer oceans provide more energy for these massive storms. This will lead to more frequent and severe weather events. This means they could bring heavier rain and stronger winds. Urban infrastructure will be tested like never before. Coastal communities would face greater risks from flooding. The aftermath of such events will be devastating. Sea levels will likely be higher by then too. This will exacerbate the impact of storm surges. This makes storm surges even more destructive than before. Coastal defenses will need to be significantly improved. Many people living near the sea might have to move. Entire communities could be displaced. This displacement could create new social challenges. Support systems will be crucial to manage these changes. Droughts could become more frequent and severe in some regions. Water scarcity will become a pressing issue. This means long periods with very little or no rainfall. The consequences for agriculture and daily life will be profound. This would make it very difficult to grow enough food. Ensuring food security will be a major challenge. The picture of the future can seem quite worrying. However, it is crucial to know that we have solutions. There are many ways we can reduce climate change. One of the most important is moving to renewable energy. This means using energy sources that do not run out. Examples include solar power from the sun. Wind power from turbines is another good example. These sources do not produce harmful greenhouse gases. Improving energy efficiency is another key solution. This means using less energy to do the same things. We can make our homes and buildings more efficient. Better insulation can keep them warm in winter and cool in summer. Using energy-efficient appliances also helps a lot. In transport, we can shift to electric vehicles. We can also improve public transportation systems. Protecting and restoring our forests is also vital. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, a main greenhouse gas. We need to stop cutting down forests unnecessarily. We also need to plant many new trees. Taking action on climate change is not just about avoiding disaster. It is also about creating a much better world for us all. The solutions we implement can bring many positive changes. Think about the shift to renewable energy sources. This means cleaner air for everyone to breathe. Burning fewer fossil fuels reduces air pollution significantly. This can lead to fewer respiratory illnesses like asthma. Our cities will become healthier places to live. Investing in green technologies creates new jobs. The renewable energy sector is growing rapidly worldwide. Manufacturing solar panels and wind turbines needs workers. Installing and maintaining these systems creates employment. Improving energy efficiency in buildings also creates jobs. This transition can boost our economies in new ways. It can lead to innovation and new industries. A green economy is a strong and resilient economy. Protecting forests and promoting sustainable agriculture helps nature. This means healthier ecosystems and more biodiversity. Clean rivers and thriving wildlife enrich our planet. We have explored what climate change is and how it affects our planet. We have seen its causes and potential future impacts on our environment and society. We have also looked at the many solutions available to combat this crisis. The challenge before us is certainly very large and complex. It can sometimes feel overwhelming to consider it all at once, but it is essential to hold on to a message of hope and perseverance. Humanity is capable of incredible things when we unite and work together. We have faced big challenges before and found innovative solutions. The future is not yet written in stone. It is ours to shape. The predictions for 21-25 are based on current trends and data. If we change these trends, we can change the outcome for the better. Every action, no matter how small it seems, contributes to the larger goal. When many people make small changes, they add up to significant impact. They create a powerful wave of positive transformation across the globe. Our choices today will shape the world of tomorrow for future generations. This gives us a great responsibility, but also great power to make a difference. The journey to a stable climate requires everyone to participate. It needs individuals, communities, businesses, and governments to act together. We must all work together in a coordinated effort to succeed. Let us work together for our shared, precious future and the generations to come. Follow our channel Streetwise Encyclopedia Productions for more. Thank you.